All right, I'm home with this bad boy, unboxing the Glock 45. Glock 45 is a 9mm handgun. Glocks seem like they named their guns off the patents, not actually what caliber it is. So this is a Glock 45. Let's take a look. First time opening it. Uh-oh. All right. Lock, which I'm not going to use. Don't need that. Keep my gun in the safe. All right, here go the bad boy right here. All right, look at this. Oh, it's feel good right here. Comes with 3 mags. And this is a Glock 45 MOS Gen 5. You can tell it's Gen 5 right here by the grip. It doesn't have the lumps. This is going to replace my Glock 19, which at one time was my daily driver. Then I used it as home defense, and I started carrying the SIG 365 XL or the macro, depends on how I feel. Now this is the Glock 19. Now the problem I have with the Glock 19 is, well, this is a Gen 4. You can see the little finger bumps. The problem I have, you see here, my pinky is right off. So when I take it to the range or I shoot it, after a while my pinky start hurting and it gets numbed right here. Then I wind up shooting like this, because my pinky cannot really fit on it. However, when you look at the Glock 45, this feels much more comfortable in my hands. I believe that is about maybe 0.5 inch longer, a little bit less, but that half an inch makes a big difference and makes it super duper comfortable. There you go, look at that, real nice. I wonder, let's see if these clips can go in here. Yep, it goes in. You see it sticks out, and this tells you the difference in about a half an inch difference in the grip. You can see. Now, of course, I can't put the Glock 19 mags in here, but this one right here will probably just stay in the safe. I learned my lesson about selling guns. I do not sell guns anymore to the gun stores because, first of all, you don't get much for it, and second, you never know when you might need it. The one thing I like to add is the great thing about having a Glock 19 for like over 10 years, maybe like 15 years now, I had this Glock 19. The great thing about it is the holsters, because like this one, Glock 19, I'm a little anal and put labels on it. See, now this is the Glock 45. It fits perfectly. Even though I probably won't be using this one because I have a light. However, I have this holster that has a light for the Glock 19. This is what I used to carry with. Now, I'm going to put a light on it, but right now there's no light. But see, it fits, but with the light, it will snap onto the light itself. So that's a good thing about, you know, having a Glock 19 and going into a Glock 45 is the fact that you can use your old holsters, so I don't have to worry about buying holsters and trying out all over again. I can just still use the same holster. The only difference is the handle is a little bit longer. And it's a little flared, I just noticed, a little flared handle. But like I said before, it fits super comfortable. So my next thing I'm gonna do, it won't be in this video though, but I'm going to put a red dot on it. I really like red dots. I'm probably gonna put something like this on this. This is the Holosun SCS for the MOS Glocks. They should fit all the MOS Glocks, so this is the one I'm gonna put on. I wish they had this in red, but it only comes in green, if you can see it, but it only comes in green. All right, so that's it. I can't wait to put the red dot on, or the green dot in this case, and take it to the range. It should be a lot of fun. All right, check you out in the next video. Peace!